I just had identical twins. Problem is, I don't know anything about identical twins, so I thought I should meet with some experts.
We are the experts.
Okay. I'm gonna try to pretend like this isn't a little bit creepy.
It's weird.
Yeah, this is bizarre.
Yeah.
What are some annoying questions you get asked all the time? Yes.
People always ask us, are you twins? It's obvious.
What else?
Are you brothers?
Who's the prettier one?
Somebody asked us if we were related.
I'm just gonna cross a few things off.
No, that's fine.
Do your parents ever mix you up?
Our mom? I think dad gets stressed. Yeah, my dad goes, my lovely daughter. And we're like, you don't know which one I am, do you, Dad?
It's sometimes easier to, if I'm called John all day long, to just roll with it.
Yeah.
Do you ever just say hi to people you don't know?
Yeah.
All
the time.
Do you know everything about each other, or do you have secrets?
Even if we tried to have secrets, I mean, we have the thing called the twinternet, so I'd be able to find out.
Your twin telepathy.
Yes,
Right?
that's
Like
right.
you guys have it. It's the same thing.
Isn't it frustrating when one twin can do something better than the other one?
Yeah. Incredibly. She has audacity to like look cuter than me sometimes.
Do you have to gain and lose weight together so as not to look like a before and after photo?
Yeah, we talk about it.
If one of you gets plastic surgery, does the other one have to get plastic surgery?
I'm literally getting plastic surgery in 2 weeks.
What are you getting?
Breast augmentation.
You are.
I am. If I could convince her not to, I would. So she thinks she's not gonna want it, and then I'm like, as soon as you see it, you're gonna want it.
You're gonna look beautiful no matter what.
I'm more worried about not looking like twins anymore.
Yeah.
You just have to hope that people still look at your faces.
Yeah.
Have you ever parent trapped anybody?
We would go to each other's classes. A bunch of times. Fairly often.
Yeah.
A little too often.
Have you ever solved crimes like those Olsen twin movies?
I don't know who those are.
Excuse me?
I don't know who those are.
You don't know the Olsen twins? The most famous twins of all? Michelle Tanner? The Row? Wow! Okay, so you all look alike. I want to know if you think alike. I'll say a word. You say the first thing that comes to mind.
Okay. Got it.
Kim.
Kardashian. That was easy.
Brother.
Annoying.
Bikini.
Bottom.
Now we know who likes the top and who likes the bottom. Happy.
Sad.
Girl.
Friend.
Tickle.
Trunk.
Oh my God. This is amazing. Would you guys want to have twins?
Of course. I feel so humbly blessed by having a twin, and I almost pity people who don't, because you're like, you're just on your own.
Are you guys crying?
No, we're getting there.
I am. And that's like makes me very emotional because I just never imagined that I would have 2 babies. I always imagined having 1. And now that I have them, I think it's like so special. And so to hear that you're grown up and you think it's that special too, it's pretty awesome. You give me hope for the future for my little boys. So thank you. Identical twins are the best.